Let us see what this My Daily Services module. Here, all the daily services which are added by resident will be shown here. Since the resident has not added any daily service, the same is reflected in the UI as please add your daily services for their hassle-free entry at your society. Now let us try to add daily services by clicking on Add My Daily Service button. Here, all the daily service types are being listed where he could select based on their wish. Now let us click on Maid. It will be navigated to a screen where all the maids in that particular society are where there will be shown, along with name, rating, and the flats in which that particular daily service is currently working at. Now, only thing resident needs to do is click on Add button to hire this particular maid. An alert pop-up is stating as, are you sure you want to hire this maid? Now let us click on Yes. Now the resident has successfully added that particular maid. Now let us click on OK button. He will be navigated to My Daily Service screen